This is a magnetic portable collaborative welding robot launched by Edgewang Technology. Advantage is that it uses a 5 kilograms collaborative robot, which is lightweight and portable. Has a magnetic base. Can be quickly fixed at any welding position. Is suitable for welding in multiple scenarios. Has simple drag and drop teaching operation. You can start welding with simple training. Let me briefly introduce its structural components. This is the robot's movable trolley. This is the robotage pendant. This is the welding power supply. This is the robot control cabinet. This is the wire feeding mechanism. This is a 5 kilograms portable collaborative robot. This is the magnetic base. Let me show you how to move and move. Okay, now you can see that the fixation is very firm. Demonstrate the drag teaching of pendulum welding. Record the starting point and the end point. One click start to start the welding process. The straight seam welding effect is full and beautiful. Now demonstrate the continuous welding drag teaching of corner welds. Record the starting point, corner point, and end point. One click start to start the welding process. The welding effect of the corner continuous weld is continuous, full, and beautiful.